Just recently this territory was practically an empty land, but now there is a massive state-of-the-art high-tech production facility here. The significant event took place September 25, 2015. Rolling shop number 2 was put into operation. 2011. Large-scale construction started on the last day of summer. The contract was signed with Italian company Danieli at BMZ on August 31st. 8 months later, May 15, 2012, official ceremony of laying a capsule with the message to descendants into the foundation of the future mill took place on the construction site. The right to lay the capsule with the message was given to General Director of BMZ Anatoly Savinok and Vice President of Danieli Renato Pizzano. September 1st, 2012, construction of the production building started. Its dimension is impressive: 750 meters length, 135 meters width. Less than 2 months passed and the first column was installed. Its height is 24 meters. The weight is more than 7 tons. April 16, 2013. The order on creation of Rolling Shop 2 was signed. The new division was headed by Pyotr Yuryevich Lukyanenko. An important event without which it would not be possible to implement these grandiose plans took place in Minsk, July 18, 2013, namely sign of the credit agreement to finance the investment project. Construction of the mill was jointly financed by BMZ, Eurasian Development Bank and Belarus Bank. In total, the company has been granted a credit of practically €284 million. Installation of equipment supervised by Danieli specialists inside the white-collar building started at the end of August 2013. And at the start of December, specialist of contractor Gomel Techmontage launched installation of a heart of the mill, namely reheating furnace. Approximately 700 people worked on the construction site every day. The number of people involved in construction reached 1,600 persons by October 2014. 2015 was an event-intensive year. January 27, the first hot tests of the equipment were made in the new mill. Back then, 3 billets were rolled. A trial square shape came out of roughing stands. The first product, 4 coils of wire rod diameter 13.5 mm, was produced on March 16. Hot tests of the entire process line of wire rod proved the complete functionality of the equipment, capability to produce a product. March 31st, the first batch of products was exported. 20 tons of wire rod was shipped to the customer in Bulgaria via a company in commodity distribution network of BMZ, namely Belmed, Austria. The main event in the history of Rolling Shop 2 took place on September 25, 2015. This is the day when Rolling Shop 2 was officially put into operation. The importance of the project was proved by the fact that despite a very busy schedule, the President of the Republic of Belarus, Alexander Lukashenko, got around to participating personally in the startup ceremony. A moment, the mill is coming alive, and a hot billet is showing up on the line, going through stands, very similar to a red tape. It is rushing through the mill. Literally, in a few minutes, it will be transformed into a finished product the customers are waiting for.